Hey guys, that's gonna be a little weird video. So one of our groups, a gentleman named Caesar, ended up doing powder over powder, and it turned out pretty good. Actually, it looked really nice. I like the color that he used. So on my blast trailer, I have the hitch, or for my blast trailer, I have this hitch. That is factory powder coated. I just wiped it with some Scotch-Brite and it literally burned through it. So of course, factory powder coated is shit anyways. It may hold, but it is thin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scuff this up, and in this video I'm gonna powder coat it neon green over the black factory powder. We're not going to be able to tell really right off how well it holds up, but throughout the course of the summer of having it underneath my truck, banging around with the trailer and all that shit, by the end of summer we'll do a review on it and see how well it held up. Will this powder bind enough to the factory powder if it's scuffed up, or will it just peel and flake off within a little bit of wear and tear? Okay, we'll start sanding this down. We don't want to go all the way down to metal. The whole idea is to powder over the powder. So I'll scuff it up with Scotch-Brite, the maroon pads, and then we will powder coat it. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, this is why, even if something's factory powder coated, it rusts so fast. I use a Scotch-Brite pad. There's no way a Scotch-Brite pad for a couple minutes worth of sanding should eat through factory powder coat. So this shows you, even though it's factory powder coated, even if it's yours or somebody else, it should still be powder coated if you want it to hold up better, because factory powder coat gives our industry a bad freaking name. So, okay, next we'll clean it up and powder coat it. Okay, so let's do this. I haven't set nothing up, so I don't know how the gun's gonna bind to this yet. And it looks like it's fine. Okay. Whoa, maybe I need to get a mask. This shit is going on. Okay. A little bit too much powder unvented for me. may have to do some of it hot for those corners, but seems to be laying pretty good. And since it's my personal one, I'm really not worried about it.
I love the green though.
Going.
Good, how you doing, man?
Not bad. What you working on here?
Hitch for a truck. It's an experiment powder coat and over powder coat. Factory powder.
Yeah.
Did you see your rims?
I saw these two out here.